In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping package sizes in Shopify. This is a crucial step to ensure that your orders are processed smoothly and that your customers are charged correctly for shipping. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your shipping settings. To do this, navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, head over to the settings option and click on Shipping and Delivery. This area is where all your shipping configurations are managed, so it's a key place to get familiar with as you set up or refine your store's shipping methods. Next, to find where you can work with package sizes, scroll down until you reach the Saved Packages section. This is where all your package configurations will live. Here you can see any packages you've already set up, or as in this case, you'll likely want to add a new one. You'll do this by clicking on the Add Package button. Once you've clicked Add Package, it's time to give your package a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you easily identify the package later on. Names like small box or 12x10x5 box are specific and useful names that can save you time when you're selecting them during the shipping label creation process. After naming your package, the next step is to decide on the package type. Shopify offers options such as boxes, envelopes, or custom packages. Select the one that best fits your needs. For sellers who frequently send out goods of a specific kind, having the right package type selected can streamline your operations considerably. Now that you have determined the type, you need to enter the package's dimensions and weight accurately. Input the length, width, height, and weight of your package. Precision here is paramount because these measurements will contribute to the shipping costs calculated by carriers. If you're using carrier-calculated rates, precise package details ensure that you're not overcharging or undercharging your customers. With everything inputted correctly, you can now go ahead and save this new package by clicking the Add Package button at the bottom of the form. Once you've done this, your new package will be saved and available for use. Let's talk about why this process is important. Shopify provides the option to use predefined carrier packages like those from USPS or FedEx, as well as custom packages if you have specific needs. Accurate dimensions and weights are crucial to ensuring that you're calculating correct shipping rates. This is particularly important when carrier-calculated rates are at play because unexpected costs can impact your bottom line as well as customer satisfaction. Remember, Shopify uses a default package to determine shipping rates initially, which means it's wise to set a default package that reflects your most typical order. And if you often use a variety of package sizes for different products, you can create multiple saved packages. This way, you always have the right option at your fingertips when creating shipping labels for each order. Properly managing your package settings is just one of the ways you can keep your Shopify store efficient and your customers happy. That wraps up our tutorial on adding shipping package sizes in Shopify. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage your shipping logistics smoothly and more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.